Naidu cabinet mantri list only accessed on India Today here with the big names that I can confirm to you. Our reporters on the ground who have brought us the big names that are in the new Naidu cabinet. Pawan Kalyan, of course, who's from the Jana Sena, who's been able to contribute to this massive thumping victory for Andhra Pradesh in Assembly and Lok Sabha. Nara Lokesh also, who's Chandrababu Naidu's son, will also make a debut for the cabinet. Pawan Kalyan, we are told, will likely be the Deputy Chief Minister. So the trusted second lieutenant after Chandrababu Naidu will be Pawan Kalyan. Both these leaders, remember, have a huge responsibilities on their shoulder when it comes to the development of the state, specifically after the bifurcation. 13 ministers, we are told, from different representations from different groups that have been looked at, 7 from backward groups as well, and 3 ministers from the scheduled caste, scheduled tribe categories in Naidu cabinet. So that's the big news. At 11:27 a.m. specifically, there will be the swearing-in ceremony for Chandrababu Naidu, returning after the ouster of Jagan Mohan Reddy's government. Remember that there were charges against him and Naidu was sent and thrown into prison by the former government. But when he returned, the outpouring of support that he's got, and with the BJP and Jana Sena alliance, it's been a thumping victory that clearly has all smiles for Naidu and Pawan Kalyan. But ahead, remember, this is after bifurcation, where the responsibility will be very crucial for Chandrababu Naidu when it comes to the capital city, when it comes to ensuring development of Andhra Pradesh, because in many ways, Hyderabad, which is now in Telangana, its development has been known to be when Chandrababu Naidu had led the United Andhra Pradesh state and focused on it as the big IT cyber hub city. What will now, whether it's Vijayawada, Amravati, will also become in the next few years, will be very crucial. So let me bring in India Today's Apurva Jayachandran. She's in Vijayawada this morning with the swearing-in ceremony that's set to begin. Apurva, do tell us what sort of names that you hear beyond Pawan Kalyan and Nara Lokesh. How is the Naidu cabinet going to ensure there is a solid representation that focuses on the crucial development?
Well, we are getting to hear that it's a mix of leaders, be it from the Jana Sena, the Bharatiya Janata Party, and the TDP cabinet itself. We are hearing that it's going to be a mix of leaders, not only in terms of their academics, but also in the terms of gender as well. There's been representation that has been given to women. There's been representation that has been given to minority leaders as well. This was the cabinet that Mr. Naidu had envisioned for Andhra Pradesh in the upcoming elections, and that's what this cabinet also proves. You're seeing several leaders, be it Achin Naidu, be it Narendra Manohar from the Jana Sena party. All of these leaders have been stalwart leaders, be it from the Bharatiya Janata Party, the Jana Sena or Telugu Desam Party. It's in fact one key thing to note is that Jana Sena in the seat sharing alliance has got 3 seats, including Pawan Kalyan for the Deputy Chief Minister, as well as 1 seat for the BJP in the alliance here for the Andhra Pradesh cabinet. That's what we are getting to know. So, it's going to be quite interesting because at 11:27 a.m., this is the auspicious time for Mr. Naidu and the ministers in the cabinet to be sworn in today. And we're also going to see likely several leaders from the NDA, including Prime Minister Modi, Mr. Amit Shah, JP Nadda, and senior leaders from the NDA cabinet itself, who will be joining here for the swearing in and witnessing as Mr. Naidu and the cabinet leaders, including Pawan Kalyan and Nara Lokesh, Achin Naidu, Manohar and several others, be sworn in as ministers.
You can see whether it's celebrities or top leaders, it's going to be a star-studded affair when it comes to Andhra Pradesh swearing in ceremony. Thank you very much for now, Apurva.